This video shows how to use an Anapen to help someone having a severe allergic reaction known as anaphylaxis. Follow the instructions on the Askia action plan stored with their Anapen. When someone is having anaphylaxis, help them to lie down. If they are having trouble breathing, help them sit up. If they become unconscious, place them on their side in the recovery position. Each Anapen has a red button with a grey cap at one end and a black needle shield at the other end. First, pull off the black needle shield. This will also remove a small grey needle shield. Then pull off the grey safety cap from the red button end. Hold the Anapen in your fist with your thumb closer to the red button end. Place the needle end firmly against the outer thigh of the person's leg, halfway between the hip and the knee. The Anapen works through a single layer of clothing. Press the red button down firmly with your thumb until you hear a click, and hold in this position while counting to 3. Then remove the Anapen and put it to one side, being very careful to avoid the exposed needle. Call 000 immediately and ask for an ambulance. Stay with the person and keep them calm. When possible, place the large black needle shield back on the Anapen to cover the needle. Keep your fingers away from the needle at all times. Do not allow the person to stand or walk at any time. The person must stay in hospital for at least 4 hours. For more information on allergy and anaphylaxis, visit our website or call us on 1300 728 000 or visit the website for the Australasian Society of Clinical Immunology and Allergy.